a process to define the nature and extent of our interest in water. And it's not just water, it's geothermal for us. It's fundamental hot and cold water. And the National Party promised date, 2013. Then the Labour Party, they were a bit hard to push to it when they were in, but they agreed in those last 2 acts to set up a water commission and a process of definition. So that was on its way, okay? Then this coalition has come in and said, no, we're not having the water commission. And no, we are actually questioning whether or not we want to allocate rights and interests to Māori. They did, for those of you who want to do further reading, there's a document called the Blueprint, which was done by an expert advisory group. It was commissioned for Minister Bishop and Minister Watts, and they are the ones that sought advice from mostly economists, ecologists and planners around how they would do that question of allocation of rights and interests in water.